Hello and welcome to everyone joining us today for the worldsteel Steelie Awards 2020. My name is Nicholas Walters and I'm the Communications and Policy Director, and I'm joined today by my colleague Edwin Basson, who's our Director General.
Thank you, Nicholas, for the introduction, and also from my side to all of our members, welcome to this virtual event. As you can see, this year we have to do it as a virtual event as a result of the global pandemic. However, the pandemic did not reduce the number of entries we had for the Steelie Awards, and in fact we've seen more entries this year than last. In addition, the judges have informed us that they've seen a very high standard amongst the entries this year, for which I want to thank all of you.
So let's move straight on to the first award, which is for education and training. And the shortlisted nominees are Evraz, JSW, Tata Steel Limited, Ternium and TMK.
For their approach that assesses applicants for training needs to make the candidates industry ready, the winner is Tata Steel Limited.
So moving on to our second Steelie Award, which is for Excellence in Digital Communications. Now this award was first started 2 years ago, and the shortlisted nominees are JSW, Metinvest, POSCO, Tata Steel Limited and Ternium.
And for the winning award, I must note that the judges were particularly impressed with the very wide range of activities across a wide variety of platforms that was used, both in product marketing, in corporate social responsibility and other platforms. The winner of this award is Tata Steel Limited.
And for our next award, which is the Innovation of the Year, which is our Technology Award, the nominees are Big River Steel, JFE, POSCO, Severstal, and for a second entry, JFE again.
And the winner this year for the development of electrical steels that reduces core loss in electrical motors, the winner therefore JFE for their development of silicon gradient steel. JFE.
And the next Steelie Award is for Excellence in Sustainability. And the shortlisted nominees are Gerdau, JFE, NLMK, POSCO, Ternium and Usiminas.
And the winning entry this year receives the award for the fact that it is a program that captures and stores significant amounts of carbon. And at the same time, we were also impressed with the work in terms of the benefits of steelmaking co-products. The winner of the Sustainability Award this year, POSCO.
And the next Steelie is for Excellence in Life Cycle Assessment. And the nominees were Baosteel, Hyundai, JSW, Tata Steel Europe and Tata Steel Limited.
And the winner for convincing their government expert group to use LCA, Life Cycle Assessment, as the appropriate methodology for carbon verification in the Guangdong province. The winner is Baosteel in the Baowu Group.
And now we come to the award for Journalist of the Year. Now, as many of you know, this award is done somewhat differently. We get a shortlist using a media management application that we use in worldsteel, and this is presented to the Communications Committee and they vote. And the nominees this year are Hongmei Lee from MySteel Global, Colin Richardson from Argus Media, and Annalisa Villa from S&P Global Platts.
And the winner this year for consistent, informed coverage of the challenges and the dynamics of the steel industry and our products, the winner is Colin Richardson.
And now we come to the last Steelie for 2020, the Excellence in Communications Programs. And the nominees this year are JSW Steel, Tata Steel, Tenaris and Ternium for 2 separate entries.
And for creating engaging and emotive content as part of a very well-structured plan with clear goals, the winner is JSW Steel.
And so we come to the end of the 2020 announcements of the Steelie winners. This year we had well over 80 entries and 20 different members have been shortlisted. Congratulations to all the winners, and this award will be coming to you shortly and directly. Goodbye and thank you.